एनी पर्टिकुलर मोमेंट या कोई ऐसी मेमोरी आपको याद है कोई मिशन में या कोई ऑपरेशन में जहाँ पे आपको ऐसे लगा हो कि ओके दिस इज समथिंग न्यू फॉर मी एंड आई वाजंट एक्सपेक्टिंग इट एंड दैट पुश्ड यू टू योर लिमिट्स?
I won't dilute too much of information on it, but
Yeah.
whatever I've spoken previously also with in continuation to that only, everybody is aware of Balakot airstrike, what
Right.
happened.
Right.
After that, I think it was 28th of February when the enemy aircrafts had come in JNK. Wing Commander Abhinandan, an Air Force pilot, had crossed over. He was caught.
Yeah.
Okay, that day only in the mornings, everybody was prepared. We had gotten intelligence that something or the other can happen. So everybody was on high alert. I'm an air traffic controller. My basic job over there was to see that any aircraft जो हमारे अगर flying कर रहे हो तो they are safe.
Right.
That's what the only thing that I had to see. And जो हमारी internal security है, कोई हमारे anti aircraft guns and everything was in place. So all were ready. Bunkers were dug everywhere. At around, I mean, people expected any airstrikes that happen or any intrusion that takes place. Generally, ऐसे time पे होता है जब सब कुछ सोए हो.
Yeah,
wee hours.
रात के time पे. Right.
Yeah, first light. मतलब कहते हैं ना एकदम बहुत डीप स्लीप लगती है हमें 4 बजे 5-6 बजे उस टाइम पे जनरली is what is expected.
Yeah.
But the aircrafts crossed over somewhere on 10 o'clock.
Okay.
9:30, 10 was the time. And I was right outside my office when I was standing, and all of a sudden I saw blast in the air.
Okay.
And I just looked up, and there was a second blast. I was interviewing all the Jawans. I was also doing the adjutant, who's responsible for all the security and punishments and everything of the battalion. So I was just interviewing some Jawans who had come from leave, and all of a sudden I saw that blast in the air. And by the time I saw it, I saw the second blast. The aircraft was charred. Black, completely black, and it had fallen down.
Okay.
So that time nobody was aware it's an airstrike or what it is. But we were told that airstrike can happen. So immediate response was that everybody should be pushed into the bunkers.
Okay.
Trust me, I did not know how I got the courage that day. Immediately I ran into my office to check हमारा aircraft कहाँ है, हमारा helicopter कहाँ है, जो बाहर गया था. Initially my hands trembled.
Yeah.
I'm not lying, my hands trembled. And I thought अगर ये air strike है तो I think it's the last day. शायद हमारे पर भी air strike आए. It's a small airfield. We have fuel nearby. A small, even a bomb if fallen on the fuel, it's over for everybody.
Right.
You don't know what is happening and the siren had sounded. So first time when I picked up the phone to ring up in my tower to ask where my aircraft is, my hands started shivering. And then one of our Jawan was there. He said, "Sahab, ab jaldi chalo." So I told him, "Tum chalo, मैं आती हूँ." नहीं साहब, मैं आपको छोड़ के नहीं जाऊँगा. That's the first time I saw the beauty of camaraderie, the beauty or of Indian Army. जैसा I said, हमें ट्रेनिंग करते हैं, हम बोलते हैं कि एक दूसरे के साथ रहो. We never leave a soldier behind. So this is the beautiful thing I saw that day. The Jawan said, "साहब आपको छोड़ के नहीं जाऊँगा." And I told him, ठीक है, बाकी सबको ऑफिस से पुश कर. Now aviation is very huge. Offices अलग अलग like airport only.
Right.
So मेरे ऑफिस के यहाँ पे मेरे 2 बॉस थे. वो 2 बॉस गाड़ी लेके चले गए थे to see exactly what happened. Was it a IED blast? Was it an air strike? या some aircraft had fallen? No idea तब तक. So I was the alone one there, and by the time I told him, I finished my call, you go and push everyone outside.
Okay.
I don't know where I got that courage from that day. I literally pushed everybody out from my office into the bunkers. Me and the Jawan, we ensured that everybody from the office had moved out and they had settled down in the bunker. So that day, even my feet were trembling, my hands were trembling, I was scared for life.
Right.
But I did that. So that was something I did not, envisage that ऐसी कोई situation आएगी. But I think जब हमें इतनी ट्रेनिंग देते हैं, जैसे मैंने कहा 18 घंटे आपको इतने पनिशमेंट देते हैं, आपको लिटरली
इतना प्रिपेयर किया हुआ रहता है.
दे ब्रेक यू डाउन कि आप एग्जैक्ट एक मोल्ड में फिट हो जो इंडियन आर्मी का मोल्ड है. आप खुद के लिए ना सोचो, पहले दूसरों के लिए सोचो. आई थिंक दैट वाज व्हाट आई सॉ दैट डे इन माई सेल्फ ओनली, इवन इफ आई डोंट कंसिडर me doing that work, but an officer who did not bother for their own safety but bothered for their men first. Pushed everybody out. Everybody settled into the bunker. And the second thing, when I saw my Jawan and he said, "Sab, aapko chhod ke nahi jaunga." So that was again a beauty, that when you earn trust of your men, Yeah, that is what it happens, that even at the stake of their life, if he wanted, he could have ran away. साहब ने बोल दिया जाना है, bunker में जाना है. But he did not go. He waited for me, and he waited till the last man in the office was evacuated, and then he and me went to the bunker.